Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the paper pumpkin. This is the Pick of the Crop June 2022 paper pumpkin kit. I am so excited to see what this one is all about. But before we get into it, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. And we're going to start with the paper pumpkin kit for July, which is Sending Good Thoughts, which is a nautical themed kit that makes 9 cards. And there is a link to take a quiz on my blog, and you can enter to win a chance to get a free month of the paper pumpkin. And also we have still going on until the end of June, the kits collection, buy one, get one 50% off sale. And the kits are the kits that can be found at stampinup.com/kits. So you can go there and see what kits we have available. Lastly, we have our monthly host code. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. This code should not be used if your order is $150 or more, because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up. Okay? This code can always be found on my blog or my Facebook page, Honeybee Stamping Hive. All right, and that's all the buzzworthy business we have for today. So let's get into this paper pumpkin kit. Ooh, our stamping spot is Calypso Coral. So we're going to get our regular stamping pad for that. Here's our cute little stamp set. Okay. It says, hello, thinking of you, love you a whole bunch. You're the you're the pick of the crop. You are the sweetest. Then there's a strawberry, looks like some blueberries, a vine, some dottage. Yeah, this looks cute. Okay, let's see what we have going on. Okay, it's probably just reminding us about the canvas bags that you can purchase separately, then notifying you about the kit for next month. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. So we get one bag in our kit. Let's get our scissors here. Come on, scissors. Do your job. So get this opened up. Pick of the Crop Paper Pumpkin, June 2022. Okay, so far so good. Let's see. Coordinating colors: Blackberry Bliss, Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, Crushed Curry, Garden Green, Night of Navy, and Soft Succulent. And here is everything that will be in the kit and a couple of alternates that Stampin' Up came up with. All right, let's get into it and see what we got. So we have some dimensionals, some twine, our canvas bag, little shopping bag. We have some punch outs here. Okay. The envelopes, oh, these are cute. And they're lined. Let's see. The lining is only on the back side of the envelopes. Oh, here's a card base. This is cute. This is nice. Let's go ahead and get that burnished. That's one. I can't remember how many different designs this is going to have. Oh, this one is pretty as well. Just trying to get started. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought that was a separate piece, but that's printed on the card base. That's cute. Oh, that's not even. I should have did it from the front, and I would have seen, because the white would have showed. There we go. And that's it. So 3 different designs, 9 cards. So let's see. We're going to get our instructions and get everything we need for each card. So for this card here, this is number 1. We are going to need, ooh, they have little fancy vellum pieces. Okay, that's cute. Then we have some bread. So the bread, and I think this one goes there. One of the small little loaves of bread goes here. And this must go on this one. Okay, so we have that sheet taken care of. Then on this one, we need this to go here. This, ooh, this is cute. Oh, they should have had a stamp in there for that one. That goes there. Okay, and that looks about all that's from this sheet. Okay, we have some little glue dots here. And then let's see. So this goes with that. And we need the cheese. It goes here. This goes here. This goes here. This one goes here. And this goes here. Okay. So we have all of our pieces. So we can, I think I'm gonna just try to leave these up here. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna start some stamping because we're gonna stamp on this. I'm gonna put my dimensionals on here. And we need to poke out the wheels. Come on. They don't want to come out. There we go. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, so that's all prepared to go. We need to get a block. And we're going to stamp on this one. You're the pick of the crop. So I'm gonna wipe over that. And then we're going to stamp "You're the pick of the crop" on this label. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to pop this right in the middle of the card. Like this here. Down here a little bit. Just like that. Get our glue dots. Oh. Maybe I'll use my Take Your Pick tool. Put some glue dots on that. And some on the mini loaf of bread here. Then we can attach it. Okay, so this is going to go right over the wheels. Oh, one of the little things tried to stay on there. So we're going to put that down there. And this one, we're going to put right here. Yep, right there. And that's that card done. That's it. Okay, first card done. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so for this one, we are going to get dimensionals on the cheese. We're stamping on that. And what else? Okay, so this is the only one that needs dimensionals. Okay, we're going to stamp "Thinking of You." Where did I put my stamp set? thinking of you. And we're going to stamp it right on this little tag. Okay. And let's just put it together. So we're going to put this on here with some glue dots. We don't need that many. Just need it to stick. Okay. So we're going to put this about right here like that. Then we're going to get the flowers here. And we're going to glue that down with some glue dots. Oh, if I can get this backing off. We're going to put this one about right here, like that. We're going to take our vellum, and the vellum, because we're going to put this here. So we're going to put a glue dot right there, and maybe one in the middle up here a little bit. Oh, can you see that? We're going to put this on here like that. Put our cheese. Oh, no. I forgot a step. The twine. I forgot the twine. But that's okay. I just won't wrap it around. It's supposed to wrap around the vellum piece. But we're just going to tie a bow if I can get it started. If I can find the end. Okay. So we're just going to tie a bow. So we're already going off track from the instructions, but that's okay. Cut our tails. And what I'm going to do is pop this up on a dimensional. Oop, I just need one. We're going to pop this up right here. Get us a glue dot. Put there. And we're going to stick our bow on that just like that. There we go. I think I want to put a dimensional because they only used one, but I don't think I want to put another one right under where the bow is going so it won't stick. There we go. So that's card number 2. So again, the twine was supposed to tie all the way around that, but it looks fine just like this. Okay, let's clear some mess and go on to number 3, the last card, and we're going to be stamping Love You a Whole Bunch. So let's get that stamp. And we are going to stamp this on the little pick sign. Just get that right in there. This is a cute little set, the stamp set. I really like it. Okay, so what are we doing? Popping everything up on dimensionals, looks like. So everything's going to get some dimensionals on the back. Dimensionals, dimensionals, dimensionals. Okay. And then we are going to put some glue dots on the back of this. I do believe. And we're going to attach this to the vellum little cutout here. So it layers right behind the vellum. Just like that. Then we're going to put dimensionals on the back of that. And we need more twine. Whoops. I'm just going to tie another bow. Attach this with a glue dot. Let me trim that other side a little bit. Where did I push the glue dots off to? Oh, right here. We're going to put a glue dot. I want to put this down, this little end piece. We're going to put a glue dot right here and put our bow over this glue dot. Let's see which way our tail's going. Put that there. Okay, so now we can put everything onto the card. So this, okay, we're just popping this up right where the image already is on here. We're going to put this right there. And we'll put our pick right here. Just like that. That is the last card done. Okay, that was pretty quick and simple. Whoa. So here are the 3 cards that we made. This is, again, the June 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. What is it called? Pick of the Crop. So this is what the cards look like. This is all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.